Hey singers, welcome back to the Voice Savvy YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be sharing some insider vocal tips and tricks that I've learned over the years from working with professional singers, and trust me, these are the techniques the pros really use to take their singing to the next level. So let's dive in and let's talk about the vocal tips and tricks that pro singers use when it comes to expanding their vocal range. So first up is consistent practice with vocal sirens. Now this exercise is just pure gold when it comes to expanding your range safely and efficiently. So start low and glide up to the very top of your vocal range, then come back down, really making sure to focus on the smooth transitions between chest voice and head voice. So do this around 5 to 10 minutes daily and you'll really start to notice the difference in no time for sure. The next secret is singing songs that are out of your comfort range. Now we need to step out of our comfort zones in order to grow. So stop singing songs that you already know you can sing. Stop singing them and choosing them. Choose more challenging ones. Sing songs that are really just going to push your limit. Select the ones that are just a few notes outside of your current range. And this may seem scary, but it's exactly how the pros really just push themselves to new heights. And if you do this right with the right vocal tech exercises, your range is just going to grow. So push yourself and aim high. So moving on to a singer's best friend, which can really help you when it comes to practicing those challenging songs that we just talked about, which is the lip trill or the straw exercise. Both semi-occluded vocal tract exercises, but they really relax the voice and reduce tension, which really helps you to access notes that you couldn't before. So do some strawing or lip trilling as part of your warm-up every day. Then try trilling or strawing through a song that you're working on. It's all about repetition. Choose a challenging song and then really just choose a section and hone in on that challenging part, going back and forth between lip trilling and singing or strawing and singing. And this is really going to help you build that muscle memory and the range you never thought possible. Next, let's talk about hydration. I know we always talk about hydration, but drinking plenty of water at room temperature is really vital for maintaining healthy and flexible vocal cords. Our vocal cords, they vibrate at ridiculous speeds per second, and when we hydrate them, it helps them to vibrate more freely, making it easier to sing. It makes it easier to sing. Aim to drink at least 64 ounces a day, and that's really just going to help to keep those vocal cords in top shape, and trust me, they'll thank you by really expanding your range and smoothing out your sound. Your vocal cords will thank you. And then finally, do not underestimate the power of a vocal rest. Giving your voice a break really is going to allow your vocal cords to heal and strengthen, especially after intense singing sessions. So take at least one complete rest day per week and your range, it will thank you for it. Rest, rest, rest. 1 day a week. So there you have it, the top secrets the pros use to really expand their range without harming their voices. Just want to make sure that we're clear on that. But give these tips a try and you'll be really shocked at how quickly your range will grow. Consistency is the key. If you put in the work, you get the results. But that's pretty much it from me. If you found this video valuable, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like it, and share it with any singer friends. And yeah, you can download my Voice Savvy app, which is available on the App Store and Google Play for more training videos, challenges, and vocal workouts. And until next time, I ain't got nothing more to say to you. So I will see you soon. Peace.